Alright, this is going to be my guide on how to downgrade or upgrade to 3.0 for free. So let's say that you want to jailbreak 3.0 firmware, but you've either already upgraded and you don't know how to get back to 3.0, or you're still stuck on 2.2.1 and you want to upgrade to 3.0 for free. Well, this video is going to be a guide on how to upgrade or downgrade whichever version of firmware that you're on. So we're going to go to a website and download the correct firmware that we need for your device. So we're going to go to felixbruns.de. I will have that link in the description video to the description of the video to the right. So once you get here, you're going to click on iPod firmware. Okay, so once we're here, forget about this top iPod thing. We're going to be focusing on the iPod Touch and the iPhone. So click the drop down menu. Okay, so you have many options here. So this is pretty simple and easy to do. So all you have to do is select the correct firmware for your device. So if you're running the iPhone first generation 2G, you're going to get this one. If you're using the iPhone 3G, you're going to get this one right here. And if you're running the if you're running the 2G iPod Touch, you're going to click on this one. Now, you cannot jailbreak 3.0 for the 3GS yet. That is still being worked on. But so the only two firmwares for the devices that you can't jailbreak is the 3GS and the iPod Touch 3G, because the software that you jailbreak with cannot jailbreak that type of device. So, but anyways, this is not a jailbreak tutorial. I'm just saying, if you're using this video so that you can jailbreak your iPod Touch or your iPhone, those are the devices that you can't use for this tutorial. So go ahead and open up iTunes and make sure that your device is plugged in. Okay, so mine is plugged in. Okay, so this is going to load up your iTunes. So what you're going to want to do is click on your iPod, and what you're going to do is, in your iPod, we're going to turn it off. So we're going to press and hold the power button, and you should get a slider that says turn power off. So we're going to turn the power off, and once we turn the power off, we're going to press and hold the home button and the sleep button for 10 seconds. So I'm going to go and do that right now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So now I just released the awaken button, like the sleep button, and now I'm holding down the home button for another 10 seconds. So now it shows in iTunes that our iPod is in recovery mode. So we're just going to choose OK. This is alright. So again, the way that you put your iPod into this mode is you hold down the sleep button and the center button for 10 seconds, and then you hold down just the center button for another 10 seconds. So if you do that, it should do this. So once you download the correct firmware for your device, put it on your desktop, and in iTunes, what we're going to want to do is press Option and click on Restore. And this will put up a custom Finder window so that we can choose a custom firmware file for our iPod or your device. So again, what you do is you hit Option or Alt. Sorry, that was my phone ringing. And so you press Option and click on Restore, or if you're on Windows, hit Shift Restore. But on Macs, hit Option Restore. Okay, so click on the firmware and click Choose. And once you do that, your iPod will restore to factory settings, and then you can resync all of your data and information onto your iPod. I have already done this with mine. It works like a charm. This might take a while though. It takes about 20 minutes. So let it do its thing, and everything should go smoothly. So thanks for watching, guys, and